We are at the Jim Scott Community Center, and we are here for the 7th annual LibraryCon. It's a celebration of all things fantasy, sci-fi, graphic novels, comic books, manga, and more. So this event is geared towards all ages. We have a superhero training camp with fun superhero themed activities for toddlers, preschoolers, young elementary school age. We have a fan fair, which is going to have carnival style games. We have an arts and crafts room with miniature painting, bead characters, and then we have our vendor hall, which has local members of our community selling their wares. This kind of event is great in the sense that it promotes reading to young kids up into middle schoolers. We find that age group love graphic novels, comic books, and manga, and anytime that we can promote reading and get them reading, it's a great thing. We're bringing library services and programming out into the community with this kind of event and getting folks interested in coming back to the library the next day or the next week and just continuing that partnership with our community. It's, again, a celebration of fandoms that maybe people might not get to connect with all the time, so they get to come in and find other people that have similar interests. I have been so impressed with this event and how folks have come together to plan it, how passionate and excited they are for something like this, and also just so excited to see all of our community members and vendors come in and just to feel the energy of it. You can always visit our website for the Fairfax County Public Library, give us a call or come visit a branch, and they'll be happy to tell you about it.